My charge when beginning at Agnes Scott was to finish the fundraising campaign for Main Hall. I am proud to say that because of your generosity, we did it.
We can all be proud of the role we have played, revitalizing the college's iconic building. When Main opened in 1891, it was the first building in DeKalb County to have electric lights. As a bridge between our past and our future, Main Hall continues to be a space for innovation. Not only are the physical spaces beaming, but a new generation of future Agnes Scott graduates now has the opportunity to create lasting memories and take the first steps toward their future within these walls.
At the end of a long 1891, we sat and watched the lights turn on. Years of sun setting on rows of picnic blankets, crochet hooks, and Scotties coming home. But the floors of Maine began to creak, the wood well loved under soft socks and slippers, and the elevator would start to groan as friends crowded close, nervous laughter and snickers. Main Hall needs repairs, the students would say, so doors were closed shut to open another day. The plans began because everyone should know Main Hall would be the campus star for an innovative Scottie to learn and to grow. But change takes so much time, and time takes so much weight. The doors remained shut until one fateful day, the students returned to doors wide open, sleek dunedaines, and fresh coats of painting. All of those years spent watching and hoping, culminating in a building worth all the waiting. Bubbling pasta in the communal kitchens, and movies blaring out from under closed doors, Scotty staring out at the view of Decatur, ready for their future, and so much more. So when seniors race the stairs to tug on the bell, we'll remember the history of those who came before, but it's our history for the making, our future for the taking, and our legacy to leave for a few decades more.